Students, here we have to prove that integration of 1 minus x to the power n whole power 1 upon n with respect to x between the limit 0 to 1 is equal to 1 upon n gamma 1 by n whole square divided by 2 multiplied by gamma 2 by n। आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर इंटीग्रेशन है 1 माइनस एक्स की पावर n की होल पावर n का x के रिस्पेक्ट में और लिमिट है 0 से 1 और इसको प्रूफ करना है 1 अपान n मल्टीप्लाइड बाई गामा 1 बाई n होल स्क्वायर डिवाइड बाई 2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई गामा 2 बाई n। So here we use beta and gamma function, properties of beta and gamma function. So first we put here x to the power n is equal to sin square theta, because we know that when we put here sin square theta, so we get 1 minus sin square theta, that is cos square theta. So we can write this x is equal to sin to the power 2 by n थीटा। आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर x की पावर n के प्लेस पे sin स्क्वायर थीटा सब्स्टिट्यूट कर रहे हैं और n को राइट हैंड साइड ले आएंगे तो x इक्वल टू होगा sin की पावर 2 by n थीटा। नाउ डिफरेंशिएट दिस विद रिस्पेक्ट टू थीटा, so we get dx upon d theta is equal to 2 by n sin to the power 2 by n minus 1 theta, and when we differentiate this sin theta we get cos theta। आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे x इक्वल टू साइन की पावर 2 बाई एन थीटा है, इसको डिफरेंशिएट कर रहे हैं थीटा के रिस्पेक्ट में तो ऑपरेटर लगाएंगे d बाई डी थीटा बोथ साइड में। सो dx अपॉन d थीटा इज इक्वल टू, इसका डिफरेंशिएशन करेंगे 2 बाई n और साइन की पावर 2 बाई n माइनस 1 थीटा होगा, फिर साइन थीटा का डिफरेंशिएशन थीटा के रिस्पेक्ट में cos थीटा होगा। नाउ वी गेट हियर dx इज इक्वल टू 2 by n sin to the power 2 by n minus 1 theta multiplied by cos theta multiplied by d theta है। So in the left hand side in this integral we put here dx is equal to this, and in place of x to the power n we put here sin square theta। Now we change the limit according to theta, because here lower limit x equal to 0, and when we x is equal to here this is sin to the power 2 by n theta is equal to 0, and we know that 0 is the value of sin 0, so here we can write this sin theta is equal to 0, so we get here sin theta is equal to sin 0, so here theta is equal to 0 we get। आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर sin की पावर 2 by n थीटा इज इक्वल टू 0 होगा क्योंकि x इज इक्वल टू 0 है लोअर लिमिट पे। अब यहाँ से sin थीटा की वैल्यू 0 होगी, यानी 0 वैल्यू होती है sin 0 डिग्री की, तो थीटा की वैल्यू 0 आ जाएगी। नाउ वी नो दैट हियर when we take upper limit, that is x equal to 1, so sin to the power 2 by n theta is equal to 1, this gives sin theta is equal to 1, and we know that this 1 is equal to sin pi by 2, so we get here theta is equal to pi by 2। आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर x is equal to 1, this is the upper limit, so corresponding to x is equal to 1 we get value of theta, that is equal to pi by 2, so x equal to 1 here and x equal to sin to the power 2 by n theta, so sin to the power 2 by n theta is equal to 1, so sin theta is equal to 1, and 1 is the value of sin 90 degree, so that is sin pi by 2, so we get here theta is equal to pi by 2। Now we put here value and get integration, so here 1 minus x to the power n, this is equal to sin square theta we put, and whole power 1 upon n, and value of dx, that is 2 by n sin to the power 2 by n minus 1 theta and cos theta multiplied by d theta, and the limit according to the theta, that is 0 to pi by 2 here, because corresponding x equal to 0 we get theta is equal to 0, corresponding x equal to 1 we get theta is equal to pi by 2। So here we can see that this 2 by n is constant with respect to theta, so it will be outside the integral sign, so 2 by n, and here we know that this 1 minus sin square theta, this is cos square theta whole power 1 by n, and here this is sin to the power 2 by n minus 1 theta multiplied by cos theta d theta। So we know that power cos square theta whole power 1 by n, so this power 2 multiplied by 1 by n, so we get 2 by n, So this is 2 cos to the power 2 by n, and this power is 1, so this 1 power add with 2 by n theta, and this is sin 2 by n minus 1 theta d theta. So here we use formula of beta function, since we know that integral between the limit 0 to pi by 2 sin to the power p theta cos to the power q theta d theta, this is equal to gamma p plus 1 by 2 gamma q plus 1 by 2 divided by gamma here 2 and gamma p plus q plus 2 by 2. This is the formula of sin to the power p theta multiplied by cos to the power q theta, integration between the limit 0 to pi by 2, this is equal to gamma p plus 1 by 2 gamma q plus 1 by 2 divided by 2 gamma p plus q plus 2 by 2. Here we can see this, when we compare this, p is equal to 2 by n plus 1 and q is equal to, here we can see this is 2 by n minus 1. आप देख सकते हैं कंपेयर करेंगे तो p के प्लेस पे 2 by n minus 1 है और q के प्लेस पे 2 by n plus 1 है. So we use this formula here. We can write this 2 by n minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2 and 2 by n plus 1 divided by 2 and here we write p plus q plus 2 by 2. So this is 2 by n minus 1 plus 2 by n plus 1 and plus 2 divided by 2 है. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर p के प्लेस पे 2 by n minus 1 है, q के प्लेस पे 2 by n plus 1 है, तो फार्मूला यूज करेंगे गामा p plus 1 by 2, p के प्लेस पे 2 by n minus 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट किया गया है, फिर गामा q plus 1 by 2, q के प्लेस पे 2 by n plus 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट किया गया है, अपॉन में 2 गामा के अंदर p plus q plus 2 by 2 है, तो p के प्लेस पे 2 by n minus 1 प्लस q के प्लेस पे 2 by n plus 1 plus 2 upon 2. Now we can see here this minus 1 and plus 1 is cancel out, this minus 1 and this plus 1 is cancel out, so we get here this 2 cancel by this 2 and here this 2 by n divide by 2, so we get here this 2 is 2 cancel by this 2, so we get here gamma 1 by n. So this is gamma 1 by n, and here we can see this 1 plus 1, this is 2, so 2 by n plus 2, so we common 2 and 2 is cancelled out, so this can be written as gamma 1 plus 1 by n. Divide by, here we can see that this 2 by n plus 2 by n, this is 4 by n plus 2 divide by 2, so when we take common 2 and cancel this 2, so we get here gamma 1 plus 2 by n. So we can write here, we can use here formula, that is gamma n plus 1 is equal to n gamma n, which we use here. So in place of n we can see here 1 upon n, and in place of n here this is 2 by n. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ गामा n plus 1 is equal to n gamma n होता है, फॉर्मूले का यूज न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में करेंगे. So this can be written as 1 gamma 1 by n gamma 1 by n gamma 1 by n and divide by, this is n here, and this can be written as 2 by n gamma 2 by n. So we can see this n cancel by this n, and here this 1 by n here, and this gamma 1 by n and this gamma 1 by n multiply give gamma 1 by n whole square, divide by this we can write this 2 multiplied by gamma 2 by n. So this is the answer of the given integral. Thank you.